Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro Dollar, Euro USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So this is a photo chart of DXY, US Dollar Currency Index. In my previous video, we saw that DXY was standing at a resistance zone, but it was not ready to surrender. Okay, overall, the trend of DXY is towards the downside, but still DXY is trying its best to recover. And at last we saw some pull off on the chart of DXY. There was some little bit of correction, but again we can see that DXY is a hard soul. Again, it is trying its best to recover. So market or DXY is heading towards the previous resistance of 105.50 level. So this level will be very important. If market crosses this particular level here, then 107.20 will be the next resistance, but at first it will have to cross this level, then only the road will be clear. If you're wondering that this looks like a hidden shoulder pattern is forming up, but we don't have the formation yet. Okay, but right now, if we just try to understand the market sentiment here, the market sentiment says the buyers in the market do not want to surrender, so it is going to the resistance zone again. Now let's look at the chart of Euro Dollar. So yesterday I drew this line and I told you that there's a good chance of market bouncing. So let the market complete its pattern. So we saw the market came down to the level and market bounced. Though it was not a very big bounce, but at least in this stagnant market, we got some profit. Right now we can see that market is forming small red candles and coming down again. So yesterday we discussed about the structure of the market, and what is the structure here? The structure is still very much the same. Market is forming higher highs and market is also forming higher lows as well. This is higher high and this is higher low. So right now don't take any position in the market, because after all we must also think about risk to reward ratio as well. There, you may miss one or two opportunities in the market, but my dear friends, in the long run, you'll be a gainer if you do not compromise with the trading discipline. After all, trading discipline is the only thing that makes a trader profitable in the long run. So the levels that I discussed yesterday are still very much same. Okay, as market is trading in an upward channel right now, and considering the present trend of the market here, we should look for buy opportunities only. So let the market come down to the trend line here. Okay, where is the trend line? The trend line's number will be around 1.0400, 1.0300. Around this number, okay, around this number market should come. If market comes according to our expectation, observe the market and see how the market is doing. Okay, if you see market bouncing from 1.0400, 1.0300, okay, you can go for a buy position. But you can see that the trend line is a little bit towards the upside. Okay, little bit towards the upside. So you need to be cautious when market reaches 1.0460, because though we try to prefer to interpret the levels in the form of lines, but you must be knowing that support and resistance work as zones in the market. Okay, they work as zones in the market. So once market will reach 1.0460, market will enter the support zone. So market may not come down to the 1.0400 or 1.0430. Okay, it may try to bounce from 1.045040 as well. So you need to be cautious, you need to be alert when market approaches the support zone. In case DXY shows a good amount of upside during the day, and if it successfully breaks 105.50 level, then obviously we will see downside on the chart of Euro Dollar, and we will see a big red candle as well. So in that case, obviously use your common sense, stop taking any buy position, but do not take a sell position as well, because you'll be going or standing against the trend of the market. In that case, wait for the market to come down to 1.0350 level, because this is our next support. As of now, we don't have any strong resistance on the chart right now. The only resistance is around 1.0600 because this was the previous high made by the market. As market is trading in an upward channel here, obviously the trend line at the top will be the next resistance as well. So this is the structure right now. So I think that you should wait for some time. There is not much volatility going on in the market. Market is more or less slow. um, Market is waiting for the next week's uh, meeting of the Feds and the inflation report. So let's wait and watch. I think market will remain like this week, and it's like a pre-Christmas celebration. Anyways, hopefully you got my point. Okay, this is my analysis. I can be wrong as well. So please follow proper risk management. No trader is 100% accurate. So do not gamble with your hard-earned money. Bye bye. Take care. See ya tomorrow.